Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account using the phone verification procedure. Now the phone verification only comes in play when you have reached a certain limit of creating free Google accounts in a particular mobile phone. And yes, of course, every phone has its limit. All right guys, every phone has its limit. Some phones can create up to three free accounts without doing a phone number verification, and some phones can even create up to like 7 accounts, up to 10 accounts. Like, because I have a phone that created up to, I think it was 12 accounts, 12 free accounts. All right, free accounts. I wasn't asked to do any phone number verification in any of the accounts. But right now, I can't do shit without doing phone number verification. Well, let's see how we can create an account using the phone number verification procedure. First up, you need to locate your Gmail app in your phone. Okay, this is the Gmail. You click on Gmail and you click on the right top. Then you scroll down to add another account. Click on Google.
My heart keeps trembling and I'm losing whenever you're around. How
Okay, this is
can
going to
I
take a while
explain
because
to
my
you
connection is
my
not
feelings
that
are
perfect.
to you? It's pain, it's numbness, it's like I can see only one thing, and I can hear just one thing, and talk about just one thing. About you, loving you, loving you, loving you. Not everyone is able to express the feelings of love to you. Wish I could be a better, that's why I am sending my heart to you. Take a peek in it so you can see what's in it for you. Keep on loving you, cause together we'll be a better, stronger. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever. I feel warm in your arms, safer and better. I get happy and glad that you're here. I wanna stay in your arms. I dream of you in my dream. I hugged you and then I kissed you and then I said I love you. Would you please allow me to live in that dream, baby? You so beautiful, baby. Your love is so beautiful. Not everyone is able to express the feelings of love to you. Wish I could be a better, that's why I am sending my heart to you. Take a peek in it so you can see what's in it for you. Keep on loving you, cause together we'll be a better and stronger. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever. I dream of you in my dream. I hugged you and then I kissed you and then I said I love you. Would you please allow me to live in that dream? Not everyone is able to express the feelings of love to you. Wish I could be a better, that's why I am sending my heart to you. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever. I want to keep loving you all my life, forever.
Alright guys, so that is how you can create your Gmail account using the phone verification procedure. Now let me explain something to you all. Google accounts have limits, alright, for both free accounts for phones and also for phone number verification. They all have their limits. You can't create more than a certain amount for a certain number of Gmails in a particular mobile phone for free, and you also cannot do a phone number verification. You also cannot do more than a certain number of email verification using a particular phone number. Alright, what I'm trying to say is that you cannot do more than 3 email verification with one particular phone number. Right, you always reach the limit. Google will tell you that you have used this number for verification too much. Right, you need to use a different number. So don't be surprised when you get to this point where you have to use another number and you're like, what? Why is this telling me to stop? You just have to use a different number because there are limits. You cannot just be creating Google accounts for free. No, it doesn't work that way. There are limits, protocols. Alright, so that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video and you want to keep up with my upcoming videos on how to do stuff, please click on the subscribe button and click on the little bell by the side so that you get notified whenever I upload my new videos. And also, if you like this video, please just leave a like button, and then if you have a comment, just drop it on the comment section. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.